Peacock farming is an emerging and profitable business that is gaining popularity worldwide. Known for their vibrant colors, majestic feathers, and cultural significance, peafowls, the term used for both male peacocks and female peahens, are sought after for ornamental purposes, religious ceremonies, and even meat and eggs in some regions. In this video, we will explore the essentials of peacock farming, including housing, feeding, breeding, health management, and business aspects. Peafowls belong to the pheasant family and are native to South Asia, with the Indian peafowl, Pavo cristatus, being the most recognized species. Other species include the green peafowl, Pavo muticus, and the Congo peafowl, Afropavo congensis. The Indian peafowl is often preferred in farming due to its adaptability and resilience. Peacock farming presents several advantages, including economic value. Peafowls, especially their feathers, are in high demand for decorative and religious purposes. Low maintenance. Compared to other poultry, peafowls require less maintenance and are highly resistant to diseases. Aesthetic and cultural significance. Peacocks are revered in many cultures and can be an attraction in parks, zoos, and private farms. Meat and egg production. Though not commonly practiced, some cultures consume peacock meat and eggs. Setting up a peacock farm. Peafowls require spacious and secure enclosures to thrive. The selected land should be elevated and well-drained to avoid waterlogging. Surrounded by natural vegetation for shade and comfort. Free from predators such as foxes, snakes, and wildcats. Sheltered area. A well-ventilated house that provides shade and protection from harsh weather. Open space. A large fenced area, minimum of 250 square feet per bird, to allow peafowls to roam and display their natural behavior. Perches. Elevated perches where peafowls can roost at night. Nest boxes. Separate areas for egg-laying peahens. Peafowls are omnivores and thrive on a diet that includes grains, seeds, fruits, insects, and small reptiles. A balanced diet should consist of grains, corn, wheat, millet, and rice. Protein sources: mealworms, fish meal, and soybeans. Greens and vegetables: lettuce, spinach, and carrots. Supplements: calcium and vitamins to ensure strong bone and feather growth. Water must be provided at all times in clean, shallow containers to prevent drowning, especially for chicks. Peafowls reach sexual maturity at around 2 to 3 years of age. The breeding season usually begins in spring and lasts through summer. Mating rituals. Male peacocks perform elaborate dances and spread their vibrant tail feathers to attract females. Egg laying. A peahen lays 4 to 6 eggs per clutch, with an incubation period of about 28 days. Hatching and care. Chicks should be kept in a warm, predator-proof environment for the first few weeks. They can be fed starter poultry feed along with finely chopped greens and insects. Peafowls are hardy birds but are prone to certain diseases, including Newcastle disease, a viral infection causing respiratory distress. Parasitic infestations. Worms and mites can affect peafowls' health. Fowl cholera, a bacterial disease leading to sudden death in birds. Preventive measures include regular vaccinations and deworming, maintaining clean and dry housing conditions, providing balanced nutrition to boost immunity. Commercial aspects of peacock farming. Peacock feathers are highly valuable in the fashion and decoration industries. Since peacocks naturally shed their feathers annually, farmers can collect and sell them legally. Many peafowls are sold as ornamental birds to zoos, farms, and private collectors. Well-maintained and healthy birds fetch higher prices in the market. While not common, peacock meat is considered a delicacy in some parts of the world. Peafowl eggs are also sought after for their nutritional benefits. Despite its advantages, peacock farming comes with challenges such as legal restrictions. In some regions, peafowls are protected species, requiring special permits to breed or sell them. Predation. Ensuring security from predators is crucial. Seasonal breeding. Unlike chickens, peafowls do not lay eggs year-round, limiting production. Peacock farming is a lucrative venture when managed properly. With proper housing, nutrition, and health care, farmers can successfully rear peafowls for feathers, ornamental purposes, and even meat. Understanding legal aspects, market demands, and breeding requirements is essential for a sustainable and profitable peacock farming business. Whether for commercial or hobbyist purposes, peafowls are a fascinating addition to any farm, offering both beauty and economic value. Thanks for watching. Peacock farming is a fascinating and rewarding venture, whether for conservation, ornamental purposes, or commercial gain. These majestic birds require proper care, space, and nutrition to thrive, and with the right approach, peacock farming can be a profitable and sustainable business. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let us know in the comments what you think about peacock farming or if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more exciting topics, and we'll see you in the next video.